Hello YouTube, hello people. A lot has changed since I last uploaded a video. I'm just gonna start off with my bike first. Anyways, okay, good morning, welcome back to another video. Good morning, good night, I don't know where you guys are from, but wherever you're from. I actually have, I'm starting this vlog on a GoPro, which is something I never do, but I actually have spoke skins on this thing. I don't want to run these. I was actually gonna spray paint my wheels today, and I just got some graphics in and they're sick, so I was gonna like redo my bike today, but Joey and Dana, they hit me up to go hit some jumps, and I was like, shoot, dude, I can't miss this out. So please excuse the spoke skins right now. Just know that I never run them because like I personally don't think they look good. It just looks kind of like cheap to me. But yeah, shoot. We've been finding a lot of jumps that we haven't hit before. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna meet up with Joey and Dana, and we're gonna go shred a little bit. I actually never start my vlogs on a GoPro, so this is also different. But I mean, the GoPro quality is pretty good, so I don't think it's that bad. I don't know how the audio is gonna sound, but hopefully it turns out pretty well. Pass you the scissors. Lifesaver. Shoot! We're back. Look at my spoke skins. I'm ready. Look at these.
Oh, dude. I like them. You're just gonna run them like that.
Yeah, until like I'm painting them tomorrow then, dude.
Alright guys, I had no idea where I am, but Joey just came and grabbed me. Hit this hole. So I've never been to these jumps, but I mean, I've seen some videos and they look pretty sick, so. How do you even make that? Oh, the fresh lid! What? Yeah, Dana! Yeah! What up, bro? Oh my. Okay. Oh, I can't believe these are for 50s. Hey, what is all this? Oh, I have a backpack on this guy. Woohoo! Oh, that's sick. Oh! That is just sketchy. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, Dana. That was just pure sketchy, dude. Look at him, he's ready. Get it, Dana! Yeah! So these are actually built for 50s. And dude, I don't know how in the heck, like how is this even possible in a 50? What is that?
Probably 80 feet.
Yeah, that's a solid 80 footer. You think you got it?
Dude, I'm gonna hit it right now.
I think, no, you got it.
Here's the deal, dude. Big shout out if he hits it. Shout out his channel. Get him to 1,000 subscribers. Easy.
All of us are throwing this in our videos. I'm throwing it into mine.
Man, see, you're gonna make me die just for a shout out?
Come on, dude. You gotta work for that, dude. Come on. Yeah, what kind of shirt is that?
Hey, shout out to my boys, T-Bulls.
Shoot. Shout out T-Bull. Always hooking the boys up, guys. Be sure to check them out if you need any pit bike part needs, so. Oh my gosh. He saved it!
Too much steam there!
Oh my gosh. There we go.
Hit it! Hit it! Oh my god, I thought he would! I legitimately thought you were gonna do it.
Made you guys think, didn't I?
Holy shit.
Little step on, step off.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Hey, if I didn't have BBR front springs, I'd have been done.
Yeah,
Oh! Hang on, let me re-up that. Oh!
third one is so big.
That's the one that's sketchy, I feel like. Ah! Yeah, look at it. Oh. Oh! I thought you had to go a little faster, but I guess
7.3. Dude, that was good.
Whoa! That's the sketchiest step on step off. I've actually never hit that, I just can't see anything. Oh! Oh! Alright, cheater line! Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure I just broke my bike. Dude, I think it was the spoke skins that did it to me, dude. Oh my gosh, look at that corner speed. Oh my gosh, is that Ken Roxon?
You didn't go fast enough. What? Who didn't go fast enough? You?
That's Dana's fault, he owes you one.
Yeah. I cleared it.
All I do is hustle. I got money in my duffel. All I do is hustle. I got money in my duffel. All I do is hustle. I got money in my duffel.
Bro, I like how they put Fat 53 and they put 4/20/19. We're making it today, boys. Jeez, Otto, you freaking live in this thing or what? We're taking the Sprinter to the jumps today, boys. Tour this thing, dude.
Is it a mess in here?
No, it's not a mess. I'm just asking if you live in it.
No, I don't live in it.
Shoot, dude, he doesn't live in there.
I don't live in there.
Guys, we got the 3 critters up in here. We got a 20, another 20, and a good old, what is that, a 15? What is your bike, a 15? I'm just joking. Otto, explain, dude.
Explain what?
Explain everything.
Dude, I don't even know where we're going.
Dude!
What? I've never been here before. I don't know
Tell the people who you are. You never talk in my vlogs, bro.
I've only been in like 3.
Exactly, and he doesn't talk in them. You know, he's finally out of his, like, no, you finally came out of your shell.
Shell?
There you go. You know, he's more talkative, he's more alive. Dad, let me out. Dad. Oh, jeez.
Here you go, dude.
Dude, I've never gambled. This is my first time
Are
gambling.
you old enough to gamble?
No, I'm only 20.
Oh, that's it?
Wait, 21.
21?
Yeah, I'm not old enough yet, dude, but today's my lucky day.
I was like, bro, Zay coming in with the fire edits. Let's hook him up with at least $1,000 right there.
No. Scratch off these.
Wait, don't scratch yet, dude.
Why, dude?
If you win more than, so it's a $5 investment. If you win more than $5, everybody has to go sub to Zay Vlogs. All right, throw that one away. That
Do
was...
the bonus 25 spot.
All right.
Oh, really? Is that 25?
Oh, 18, dude.
That's not 25.
Is this what it is, huh?
Yeah, these guys usually lose, man.
Some type of sick joke? 27 right there, dude.
Oh my god, this is rigged, dude. 9 and 6 is pretty good.
Oh, I got 2 9s.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Did he really?
Sick, dude. I got another ticket.
What is it?
I don't know, actually.
Wait,
let's
you only
see.
got a ticket back? Jesus. Did you get 25?
You got $1, dude.
Oh, you got $1.
Yeah, look at 1 and a 1. Oh, wait, no, I don't.
Oh yeah, 6 and 12.
Oh,
dang, dude,
shoot,
$2. Come on. Wait, did you do the 25 spot?
Oh, no, I didn't
Oh
even
my
do
god, dude, it's $27. Dude, so you're up to $3. How many do you got left?
Listen, if I get $1,000 from this one right now, dude. 4,
This
6,
is why gambling's good, kids.
an 11, 7, and a 9, dude. This is boof.
Wait, 25 spot, come on, for the win. Oh my god.
This stuff is rigged, dude.
Negative $2, man.
Oh my gosh, he stretched it. Dang! Damn, he stretched it so far. Number 1, baby. Dude, I thought you were going for the big one, and then you ended up going for that one.
The bigger one, yeah.
That's a little sketchy. That's a little sketchy.
one?
No, that was 3rd.
Oh, that was third?
I still felt like I cased it.
I wanna see the light.
Oh my god, get the f off. Oh. Dan, sweaty?
Dan, put your pants back on, dude. Tie it, head bonk him.
Why didn't you let me jump?
Jason, I'm a trip advisor calling on a recorded line. I'm in the gifting department. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Yes.
What we do is
Go
we give
off.
you a free Bahamas luxury cruise simply to show you a good time. And all we ask in return is that you tell your family and friends about us when you get home. You can do that, right?
I don't have a family.
Okay, thank you for your time today.
Thank you. Yeah. Dude,
That was scary.
you were in though. You were like deep.
That's what she said.
Whoa, dude, it launches you like going off that one. If you guys can feel it, obviously you guys can't feel it because you're watching a video, but I'm gonna describe it. Go down, it's pretty steep. I thought it'd be a lot more mellow, but since it's so steep, it's harder to like control necessarily.